Thank you for joining us for Targetti enLIGHTen. This video segment demonstration is on Duralamp in the Minilini product. Minilini is a compact, linear, line voltage outdoor projector light. It is IP65 rated for use in both indoor and outdoor applications. It is available in two lengths, in both a 1 foot increment as well as your 2 foot increment, with a profile section of 2 inch by 2 inch. There are 2 wattages associated with these fixtures, both a 4 watt per foot as well as a 16 watt per foot, with a lumen output of up to 360 lumens in the 4 watt per foot and 1440 in the 16 watt per foot. There are 3 color temperatures available: 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, as well as 3500 Kelvin. These fixtures are available in 2 different optics, in both flood, as demonstrated here in my 1 foot section with a frosted lens with a 90 degree by 120 degree optical distribution, or a wall graze as demonstrated here in my 2 foot sample with a clear lens only available with the wall graze optic that is a 24 degree by 95 degree distribution out of this fixture here. One of the key features of this fixture is that it has integral line voltage 120 volt only drivers that allow for interconnected links between fixture to fixture using slim seal input-output watertight quick disconnect connectors. They allow for a maximum interconnected length of up to 150 feet in the 4 watt version and up to 37 feet for the 16 watt version. There are several mounting options available with this fixture series. You can either have fixed mounting clips at 0, 15, 30, and 45 fixed angles, or there are adjustable mounting brackets as shown here in the adjustable short bracket as well as a long bracket. These would simply slide in the grooves along your fixture to allow for them to be placed at any length along the fixture. There are screws associated on both ends of the bracket that can be taut down to keep the bracket in place, as well as tiltability and rotation in the rotational brackets with 2 fixing screws that allow for a secure fixed adjustable fixture. The Minilini series is a great option for high-powered cove light applications, signage, or wall grazing effects. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!